Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to enable or disable WPS in your router. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Wi-Fi Protected Setup. WPS is a shortcut for connecting devices to your Wi-Fi without typing the password. It works by pressing a physical button on the router or entering an 8-digit PIN. While convenient, WPS is vulnerable to brute force attacks, meaning hackers can guess the PIN and gain access to your network. For security reasons, most experts recommend disabling WPS unless you absolutely need it. If you must use it, prefer the push-button method instead of the PIN, as it's slightly safer. Steps may vary slightly depending on your router brand, but the general process is: log in to Router Admin Panel, open a browser and type your router's IP, commonly 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Enter your admin username and password. Find Wireless Settings. Look for Wireless, Wi-Fi, Network, or Advanced Settings in the menu. Locate WPS option. It may appear under Wi-Fi Protected Setup, WPS, or Security Settings. Toggle WPS to enable. Switch it on in the admin panel. To disable, switch it off in the admin panel. Click Apply or Save if needed. Configure WPS. Choose the PIN code option and type a PIN code, or go with the push-button config option if your router supports it, which is the recommended option. Save settings. Click Apply or Save to confirm changes. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.